In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an image in Figma. Whether you're just starting out with Figma or you've been using it for a while, knowing how to quickly bring images into your design is essential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through importing an image using the main toolbar, and I'll add some tips along the way so you understand what's happening and why. First, make sure you have your Figma file open and that you're in the design canvas, not in prototype or inspect mode. Look towards the top of the Figma window where you'll see the main toolbar. There's a section with basic drawing tools like the Move tool, Shape tools, and so on. Find the square shape icon in that toolbar. This is usually where your shape options are grouped together. Right beside that square shape, you'll notice a small arrow pointing down. This arrow indicates that there are more tools or options hidden in a drop-down. Click on that arrow to expand the full list of tools available in that group. When the menu opens, you'll see different options such as various shapes and other assets you can add to your canvas. From this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Image Watch Video or something very similar. This is Figma's built-in command for importing media files into your design. Go ahead and click on Image Watch Video. As soon as you click, your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Now, use your file browser to find the image you want to import. This can be a PNG, JPG, or another supported format. Take a second to double check the file size and resolution so it suits your design. Once you've selected the file, confirm by clicking Open. After you do that, Figma will switch your cursor into an image placement mode. You'll see a preview of your image attached to your cursor as you move it around the canvas. Click once anywhere on the canvas to place the image at its original size, or click and drag to draw out a custom size for the image. You can always resize it later using the handles around the image frame. From here, you can move the image, resize it, or use it as part of a layout, mockup, or background. That's all you need to import an image in Figma using the toolbar.